Hi, I'm Gerard Fioravanti, pastry chef and owner of Fiorella Dolce Pastry Shop in Huntington, New York. And I'm the winner of Bake You Rich, and I can't wait for you to try my Frenagel. You're gonna get a package just like this. So you're gonna open up the box, you're gonna remove the packaging material, all right? And they come in a nice little package, completely frozen. And what you wanna do is have a baking tray ready lined with parchment paper, so this way it's easier to put them on. Separate them a little bit so the air circulates around when they bake. We're gonna prepare 6 of them right now for you. And the rest, make sure you put back in the freezer, keep them for a later date. If you'd like to have them right now, I would suggest you take your tray and place it in an unheated oven, so this way they can double in size in a nice warm environment. So to prep your Frenagels for tomorrow morning, you're gonna take your frozen Frenagels, you leave them on the tray, lightly cover them with plastic wrap, place them in the refrigerator overnight for about 24 hours. Once they're defrosted in the morning, you take them out, take the plastic wrap off and discard it, and you're gonna place them in an unheated oven for about an hour till the Frenagels double in size and they proof nicely. All right, so now an hour has passed and we're gonna take the Frenagels out of the oven. They should have doubled in size by now. I took some more frozen ones out of the box just so that you could see the difference between what's frozen and what is proofed already and ready to go in the oven. This is the frozen one, and this is the one that has proof for an hour, and you can see the difference. So now we have our oven temperature set for 345, and we're gonna bake these Frenagels for about 15 minutes, and we're gonna turn them, and we're gonna bake them for about another 12 minutes. It's gonna depend on your oven, but you want it to be a nice golden brown. All right, these look so cool. Look at that. Beautiful. Now that they're nice and hot, nice and golden brown, I would wait about 10 minutes before slicing them open. Just let them cool down a little bit. All right, so now we're gonna slice open one of the Frenagels. Take a nice serrated knife and just cut it right through the center. And you can see that, look at that nice little layering going on inside. You got all the crispness on the outside, the nice, soft, fluffy white dough on the inside. Today I'm just gonna put a little cream cheese on there so you could get the effect of the whole Frenagel. I would use a whipped cream cheese. It's a little softer at that point. All the flavor is gonna come from inside that Frenagel. All right, put the top on and you're about to be Frenageled. Get the nice little layering, the crispiness on the outside, softness on the inside, the seasoning of the seeds and the little sea salt on top, it all comes together. Thanks for checking out the video, and go to carlosbakery.com so you can order more.